Hi there, my name is Kyle. I'm here on behalf of Makers Mercantile to share with you the top 5 things you need to know about today's newsletter. Item number 1 is a yarn that we want to talk to you about, a very fun, bulky twist yarn called 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Wind and Wetter. I am not German, so I'm sure I pronounce it differently than it's supposed to be pronounced, but it means wind and weather in German, and it's 100% wool, 100% extra fine merino wool. I just had to read it, yes. And there are 110 yards or so, 100 meters in one of these really great hanks. Comes in lots of different colors. Here are some of them. You can see, of course, in the one I had. And just one hank is enough for you to make one of 3 of our different patterns. So one thing we're going to do, 20% off this yarn, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, through the 25th of November. So you'll be able to enjoy a bit of a savings on a project that materials that works up really quickly. And what can you make with it? Well, I have 3 different patterns for you. I have the 𝗏𝗏𝗄𝗃 cowl, named after my Aunt 𝗏𝗏𝗄. We have the Wonderland cowl, which is a really fun little cable. So there's a little bit of lace, here's a little bit of cable-y stuff. Each of these takes 1 hank, and then come off of here. This little hat, which is a great little 2-stitch cabled beanie. So any of these patterns, you get to choose whatever one you want. If you're buying 3 hanks, you can just put a note in the order that says, please send me one of each of them, and we'll do that. If you have a Ravelry account, put your Ravelry ID in there and you'll be good to go. So that is the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 deal for right now, right? Item number 2. So a lot of us are doing holiday project knitting, and some people have others in the house who might be the recipient of the gift. And just as a gentle reminder that a gift might be in progress in your project bag, we created the gift in progress bag. So this bag here features our Michelle fabric, has, you know, the white interior, of course. It's got the drawstring, which we all seem to love. And it's a decent size project bag. Super soft, washable, of course, machine washable. You can tumble dry it if you want. A quick press with an iron will get it nice and flat. And there's a subtle hint there that this is a project. It's not it's a secret project right now, and it will be a gift for someone. So no peeking, people, in this bag if you see it sneaking around your house, because like I said, we're all busy making things for those we care about. So you can grab that bag. We do have a few sewn up, of course, you know, they're printed and sewn here in our shop. And if we do sell more than we have printed, it might take us a few days to get that printed and going for you. So that is the gift in progress bag. Now, for my crochet friends, hi crochet friends, I have 2 project kits. I wanted to celebrate our folks who crochet. One of them is this little cowl. It is called the 𝗁𝗏𝗃 or Chi-Town cowl. Looks like maybe Chicago Town, Chi-Town or Chi-Town, CHI. It's a free download on Ravelry, the pattern is, and it uses, you know, very simple crochet stitches, single, double, and what have you. And I chose 3 different colors of this really great yarn, 𝗶𝗏𝗏𝗃 by 𝗁𝗏𝗃, and this yarn is a felted single, so it's a pre-felt, and it's a really awesome process that 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗀𝗆𝗃 developed to make this yarn just really sturdy and a felted thing. There's 3 different colors you'll be able to choose from. The kit also comes with a crochet hook, a pony flare crochet hook in a size K, which is a 7mm, might be 6.5 depending on which line of needles you're looking at, but this size K is a 7mm. So you get those 2 things, great price, and you can make this in a jiffy. The other kit is this one, which I don't know why I put it way up here, but I did. Come away, come off of there. We want to show people. This is called the My Sweet Side And it is a gorgeous, gorgeous shawl. It uses 3 hanks of 𝗷𝗶𝗶𝗄𝗹𝗲𝘁. It's by Ka Zheng, is who designed this, and it's a fantastic pattern. So this is another kit. Doesn't include a crochet hook, but does have 3 balls of 𝗷𝗶𝗶𝗁𝘀, and you can crochet this up in a jiffy for a very dear friend, and the gift will be done. So there are a couple different colorway options that you can choose, but as you know, these are obviously 2 different colorways of 𝗷𝗶𝗶𝗁𝘀. Each ball of this yarn is a little bit different. So one ball might have, be a little more pink, lean pinky. One might seem to have a little more yellow on it. But the more you go, the further you go down inside this ball of yarn, the colors keep changing. So as you know, the colorways, you just need to, once you finish one ball, when you get to the next ball, find that same color and then join and keep going. So 𝗷𝗶𝗶𝗁𝘀, 3 balls of that to make the 𝗵𝗶𝗴ₛ crocheted shawl. Now, for the people who knit, I have 2 more hat kits that we have built. One of them is called Sigra. It's right here, and it is by Dear Ingenue. This is available in 3 different colorways, color combinations. And of course, they're all, packaged and smashed and smashed in a little package. That comes with the 2 different colorways of yarn, and it comes with a maker's mercantile tape measure, which is super useful. You can see the 3 different colorways on the website and choose which one you like. Add that to your cart, and that's one project on the list, at least, to get done for holiday. If you'd like to do some other kinds of color work, this is the Emeline hat. This is by me. And this uses 𝗁𝗲𝗄𝗃, and this one, we created the kit just in this single colorway. The colors shift just a little bit throughout 𝗁𝗲𝗄𝗃, so your finished hat might end up being a little darker or lighter depending on which one you get. So this one shows 2 fairly vibrant examples of what the yarn might look like. And of course, again, in these kits, they also include of course, the pattern and a maker's tape measure. That's those. What else? Reminder. So the 𝗁𝗃𝗃 fabrics, I have a couple here. I'll pull this one up here and show you because I think they're really cute. I have no idea what the music sounds like on here, so if anyone knows, that would be sort of fun to hear. Although 𝗁𝗃𝗃 fabric, which is a really wonderful Japanese line, it continues to be 20% off through the 25th. Also, our little friends here, our no-sew gnomes. Kim and I had a great time hanging out with you and showing you how to make these little guys. No knitting, no crochet, no weaving, nothing at all. Nope, none of that. It's all felted material. So these are using felted sweaters, rice to weight them down, and some other materials. You can figure out how to make your very own gnomes by downloading our tutorial instructions, the guidelines. They have a template for you to be able to cut the hat shape, and also general instructions on how to do it, and also the video of Kim and I doing the no-sew gnome workshop is live on our YouTube channel. So you can watch that, see us make gnomes, and have a really good time making a big mess, which is all in the name of creative fun. Then, the last thing I'll mention today is that our auction, which is going on, and there's lots of people who have been making bids, thank you for that. Our auction benefits Downtown Emergency Services Center. It is a organization based in Seattle that helps people who are currently experiencing homelessness. And all of the items in the auction are hand knit, hand crochet samples, and they're beautiful. There's some really great pieces in there. So make sure that you check that out, tell your friends. It's a great way to help your money do many things at once. All of the money that you bid, all of the winning bids, that money is going to be given directly to 𝗍𝗶𝗴h, so they can keep doing the good work that they're doing, helping out our fellow humans. And I think that's it. So have a wonderful weekend. It is a Friday, which is always a fun day. It's Friday, as I like to tell everyone. Have a great weekend this weekend. Give yourself some time to relax and take care of yourself. Get ready for this fun adventure here in the US. Thanksgiving is this coming week. Can you believe it? Our special hours for the shop are mentioned in the newsletter. Our shop is closed, of course, Thanksgiving Day, and the shop is closed. The brick and mortar shop is closed on Black Friday. We'll be open again the following Saturday, but we're closed Thursday and Friday so that our team can spend time with their family and friends. Back open, like I said, on Small Business Saturday. The website is always open. If you have questions, you can always reach out to us, hello@makersmercantile.com. And I think that's it. I'm rambling a lot. That's what happens at the end of the video. So have a fantastic weekend, everyone, and we will see you again on Tuesday. Bye.